Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to access the video stream of your Vitirover robot. This video feedback enables you not only to monitor the robot's operations in real time, but also to control it remotely. To start, open your web browser and go to cloud.vitirover.eu. Log in using your login details. If you do not yet have an account, create one to benefit from the platform's services. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to your personal dashboard. This is your command center. Next, in the menu on the left of your dashboard, select the robot for which you want to see video feedback. The dashboard will update to show the specific information for that robot. To activate your Vitirover's video stream, click on the eye-shaped icon labeled Activate Vision. You'll then be able to see what your robot sees in real time. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to access video stream from your Vitirover robot. Thank you for following this tutorial. For more information, please visit our website.